The Galaxy S24 may be the hot phone on the block right now, but have you ever wondered what Samsung's cooking up for next year? That's right, we're diving into all the juicy rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Spoiler alert, Samsung's next flagship might be the one that leaves the iPhone 16 Pro Max shaking in its boots. So grab a snack and let's talk about everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. Alright, let's kick things off with the big stuff. Release date and price. Samsung usually doesn't mess around when it comes to early year releases, and if their recent trend sticks, we're likely looking at a January 2025 launch right around the time they love to steal the spotlight. But here's the catch. Samsung raised the price for the S24 Ultra this year, and with all the cutting-edge tech rumored for the S25 Ultra, you might want to start saving up. Some analysts think the price could jump thanks to the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip expected to run this beast. Now, design lovers, get ready, because rumors say Samsung's playing with a sleeker, curvier look for the S25 Ultra. Not only that, but it might just be the thinnest Ultra yet, 8.4 millimeters thin, but with wider bezels, giving it a bit more screen for your scrolling pleasure. And just like Apple's top-tier models, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might come in a titanium frame with colors ranging from classic black and green to a unique blue and even jade. Oh, and for those of you keeping track, leaked renders hint at a gorgeous display, almost 6.9 inches in size, rivaling Apple's biggest iPhone yet. Speaking of displays, Samsung's been in the brightness arms race, but it looks like they're sticking with the 2600 Ignite M13 OLED from the S24 Ultra for cost reasons. Not quite the super bright M14 you'll find in the Pixel 9 Pro, but hey, Samsung knows how to work with what they've got. Now let's zoom in literally on the cameras. The Ultra's cameras are the real showstoppers, and we're hearing that the wide-angle lens is getting an upgrade while the ultra-wide might jump from 12 to 50 megapixel. That's right, those wide shots could look even crisper. And if you love zooming in on details, the S25 Ultra's telephoto lens could come with new variable capabilities. We're talking smooth transitions between focal lengths, which should make your videos look slicker than ever. Oh, and rumor has it, Samsung's testing a prototype with just 3 lenses, possibly ditching one of the telephotos. Bold move, Samsung. Now, let's get into the performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite chip isn't just any upgrade. Early benchmarks suggest a whopping 40% boost in processing power over the S24 Ultra and a significant leap in graphics efficiency. We're talking buttery smooth frame rates and lightning-fast multitasking with a possible 16 gigabytes of RAM. Plus, Samsung's supposedly including the super speedy UFS 4.1 storage, meaning this phone could fly through tasks like never before. When it comes to battery life, Samsung's keeping the 5000 mAh battery that served the S24 Ultra so well, but with the efficiency improvements in the Snapdragon 8 Elite, we might see a noticeable boost in battery life. And the charging speed, still 45 watts, so no massive changes there. But hey, it's fast enough to keep up with your busy day. And now for all you software nerds out there, let's talk Android 15 and One UI 7. Samsung's layering its own flavor of Android 15, complete with new AI features, satellite connectivity, and background OS updates for seamless upgrading. Bixby might even get a glow up with some generative AI tricks up its sleeve, potentially making it a lot smarter, finally. Alright, Samsung fans, are you as hyped as I am? Whether it's the boosted cameras, jaw-dropping design, or game-changing performance, it sounds like Samsung's planning to make 2025 a year to remember with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're into the latest tech gossip, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.